Hello friends, we are going to write an algorithm to check the given number is positive or negative. Step 1, it's a logical start of the algorithm. Step 2, I ask the user to enter a number. Print enter a number. Step 3, I am obtaining an input. Input n. Step 4, I am comparing if n greater than 0, then print positive number. Positive number. Else if n less than 0, then print negative number. Negative number. Else print 0. Step 5 is the logical end of the algorithm. So start, I ask the user to enter a number. I am obtaining input in the variable n. If n greater than 0, then print positive number. Else if n less than 0, then print negative number. Else print 0. First, the condition is checked here. If the condition is true, then the statement in the if block will get executed. If this condition is false, then else if condition will be checked. If this condition is true, the statement under the else if block will get executed. If this is also false, the statement under the else block will get executed. Now we will give some sample input and check how this algorithm works. I am giving n equal to 100. Okay, in this case, enter a number n equal to 100. My input is 100. N greater than 0. This condition is true. Then it will print positive number. After printing this, the control will come out of the if else block and come to the stop. So in this case, my output is positive number. Positive number is my output. Now another case, I am giving n equal to minus 10. So in this case, if you check n greater than 0, minus 10 greater than 0 is false. If this condition is false, then the else if this condition will be checked, n less than 0. So n is minus 10, this condition is true, my output is negative number. Negative number. Another case I am giving n equal to 0. So in this case n greater than 0 is false, then this if statement is false, then the else if condition is checked. If n less than 0, this is also false, then the statement under the else block will get executed. So my output is 0. My algorithm is working in this manner. If else block, if the condition is true, then the statement in the if block will get executed. After that, the control will come out of the next statement. After that, if else block. After the end of this, we are having an end if. Then having an end if here. Then if condition is false, then the else if the first else if we can have more than one else if it is possible. We can have a n number of else if then the first else if condition will be checked. If this is true, the statement will get executed, then the control will transfer out of this block. That means if else end if, the control will be transferred after the end if statement. That means stop. Then if condition is false, else if condition is false, then the statement in the else statement, else block will get executed, then the control will transfer to the next statement, okay, after if end if block. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share, comment and press the bell button. Thank you.